Do you want to know how to make a viral YouTube video that can earn you $675 per day? Imagine the power of one viral video. It can skyrocket your channel's visibility, and with that, your income potential. Virality is not just about luck. It's about understanding what clicks with the audience. It's about finding that sweet spot that can turn your content into a sensation. Stay tuned to discover the secrets behind creating viral YouTube content. First and foremost, you need to understand your audience. Imagine having a conversation with a friend. You'd naturally share things that they'd find interesting, right? The same principle applies to creating viral content. Knowing your audience's likes, dislikes, and habits can guide you in crafting content that resonates with them. It's about finding that sweet spot where your creativity meets their interests. This understanding doesn't just increase your chances of going viral, it's essential. Knowing your audience is the first step towards creating a viral video. Now that you know your audience, it's time to create engaging content. The secret sauce to viral content lies in three key ingredients: originality, creativity, and relevance. Your content should be unique and fresh, something that stands out in the sea of videos. Inject your personality and flair into it. Be creative, think outside the box, take risks, but remember, always keep it relevant to your audience. The power of compelling titles, thumbnails, and descriptions cannot be overstated. They are like the shiny bait that attracts viewers to your video. Make them catchy, intriguing, and reflective of the content. Moreover, never underestimate the importance of high-quality production. Viewers crave for visually appealing content, so invest in good equipment, learn editing skills, and take care of the aesthetics. Lastly, maintain consistent branding. It helps in building recognition and trust among your viewers. Remember, engaging content is the key to virality. You've created your video, but the job isn't over yet. It's time to promote it. But how? Well, sharing on social media platforms is a start. It exposes your video to a larger audience. Collaborate with other creators too. It's a fantastic way to tap into their audience and bring new viewers to your content. Don't forget search engine optimization. It helps your video appear in search results, increasing its visibility. Effective promotion can make the difference between a good video and a viral one. Let's recap what we've covered today. We dove into the art of virality, learning that understanding your audience is crucial. We talked about the importance of creating engaging, compelling content that resonates with your viewers. And of course, we explored the effective strategies for promoting your video to maximize its reach. With these strategies in mind, you're well on your way to creating a viral YouTube video that can earn you $675 per day. Now go out there and make your mark on the YouTube world.